Hello. Hey, so my husband asked me to do the voiceover this time. So he is making strawberry ice cream with some mint. Yeah, I know. It sounds a little weird, but it's actually pretty good. And what is ice cream without sugar, right? So he added some sugar while boiling the strawberries and a yolk. I think he said two actually. But anyway, there is a yolk. He kind of messed up on cracking the egg. Let's see how he does this time. Good job, he good. Yeah. Okay, and then he put some whole milk. He said very specifically whole milk and heavy cream. And he just boiled it for a little bit, and of course the ice cream salt with some ice. He added then incorporated the strawberry that he was boiling earlier into the milk. And he let it cool for a little bit. And there it is. Wait. Oh, there's the other yolk. There it is. Okay, that looked really cool. Okay, so stir. So let's put it into the ice cream maker. Okay, here, what a mess. Look at that. But I guess it's worth it because it was really good. Some strawberries. Yummy. I didn't used to care for strawberries, but now since I'm pregnant, I love everything strawberry. Anyway, here is the result. You ready? Ta-da! It was delicious, y'all. Come try some.